Jake Calca here at MarineMax in Walton Beach, and today I'm standing in front of one of the most exciting additions we've had on our lot in a long time. 2024 Grady-White 370 Express. Standing here from the transom, you can actually see that 13-foot 2-inch beam. It is massive. It really adds a lot of real estate to the overall vessel. And of course, you will see it's powered with the triple 450s, a new addition from Yamaha this year. Let's step aboard and I'll go over some of the great features this boat has to offer. Here at the transom, the first thing you'll notice is Grady-White's signature design here with the fish box, easily accessible. Other manufacturers put them in the floor, but it's a lot easier to get your fish out after a long, hard day of fishing. Also, this is a refrigerated aft fish box, which you can freeze. The days of stacking up on ice before you go out are over with this new technology. As we spin around over here behind the starboard seat here, we have a freshwater sink, and we also have a live well. Moving over to the port side here, you will see another addition that makes your day on the water a lot more fun, the grill. Here at the helm, you'll see that there is a nice amount of seating for you and your guests before we actually get down to the cabin to show you the great overnighting features it has. This here, you can have two separate seats, or you can flip that up and have a bench seat here as well. Nice captain seat, signature Grady with the nice fabric as well as the bolster seating. Here, this one is outfitted with a Seakeeper. If you've never been on a boat with Seakeeper, this makes your day out on the water fishing a lot more comfortable. When you get back to the dock, you're actually ready to go out and have some dinner. Digital throttle, digital steering, as well as the creme de la creme Helm Master joystick. This also has stay point features, which means that when you're out there, you can go ahead and hit the fish point and the captain actually gets the fish. This right here is an electronically actuated dash, so you can keep it down and keep it out of the way, but when you're ready to use your electronics, it actuates up and it'll all be displayed there for you. This one also has the addition of the bow thruster as well as the phone charger on the dash. Here we are down in the cabin, and man, that AC sure feels nice. It's all controlled by a onboard generator as well, so even when you're underway, you're traveling, you can run that AC. The cockpit can be fully enclosed with the isinglass, and you also have climate controlled area there as well. We just have some storage spaces here to kind of stow away any kind of glassware or cookware that you have. It does have a Kenyan cooktop here, as well as a freshwater sink. And you do have the refrigerator as well, so you can stow away, keep all your drinks and all your snacks cool. We also have a microwave as well. This is very well appointed and very fully functional cabin. As you can see, we do have a nice forward berth here as well, enough for two people to overnight in or go out for a few nights if you'd like. And then we do have a mid berth here as well. For some entertaining purposes, you do have a nice area right here. This can actually be set down, and then you can make this an additional place for somebody to sleep or just lounge out for a little bit. Over here we do have a television, so keep your guests entertained while you're down here enjoying this AC. And then this is a fully functional head with a stand-up shower. Plenty of room in there to comfortably get ready for the night. If you're interested in seeing how impressive this vessel is in person, swing by MarineMax in Walton Beach and we'll be happy to help.